All right, Luke Franz's sheep brain dissection, and we got a right here. Got a no dura matter on the sheep's brain, but got our gyrus and sulcus on the top, the ridges. Underneath, we got the pons medulla, pituitary gland, and pituitary gland and cerebellum.
So medulla, pons, pituitary,
Right.
and then the cerebellum. Right there.
Right. Go ahead.
Stop.
No, it's fine.
All right. You're just gonna edit.
Yep. Got olfactory bulbs, longitudinal fissures, optic nerves.
Olfactory bulbs.
The optic
Chiasm.
chiasm.
So
Optic tract and oculomotor nerve. All the way down there.
The ocular motor nerves are these guys right there. They're the ones that make your eyeballs move.
Right. Nice.
So go back to the pons and medulla.
Right. Trigeminal root.
Trigeminal. So go in there. So medulla, pons, the trigeminal root is going to be right in here. So that's where the trigeminal nerve comes off. Right there. Right there it is.
That's awesome.
So that gives you all your sensation to your face right there. Or if you're a goat or a sheep.
All right. Cerebellum.
We go back to
the ventricle.
The second stop. So this is the fourth ventricle, which is also known as the IV ventricle.
Right. IV. Yeah. Roman numerals.
Roman numerals.
Good old Roman numerals.
So fourth ventricle is in there, and then it's right in front of the cerebellum. So there's your fourth ventricle. And it also can be the alien's mouth.
Very nice. All right. Get ready to cut her open. Inferior collicus, superior collicus.
Colliculus.
Yeah, colliculus.
Yes.
Fourth ventricle.
The inferior, superior, right on the fourth ventricle.
Yeah, it's underneath it.
Yeah, so right there, those are
the nodules.
So turn to the camera.
Yeah, deep in there. Can't really see it because of the lighting.
Yeah, but here's the colliculus. The colliculus actually make your eyes track to where there's movement.
Right.
So that involuntary tracking that dogs do are due to the colliculus.
Back onto this side. Our optic nerve, uncus, mammillary bodies down here.
Yeah, mammillary bodies.
Renal fissures.
Then there's a hippocampus. So the hippocampus is the emotional center.
Yeah.
And that's right back in there.
Frontal lobe. Good old frontal lobe. Look at that. Nice and developed. Had a good life, that sheep.
And this is the... Don't go in there.
Temporal lobe, parietal lobe, and frontal lobe.
So frontal, parietal. Wait, no. Parietal.
Right.
Frontal, parietal, temporal.
Right.
And then occipital. So go back up. And then these are the pseudosylvus sulci is right between the frontal and the parietal. That's that big sulci that runs between the frontal and parietal.
Right.
And the ansate sulcus. Oh, I'm sorry, the ansate looks like it's from the frontal and the parietal. And the pseudosylvus is the one that goes between the parietal and the temporal. Okay.
Yeah. It's the same stuff over and over.
Okay, now you gotta cut it in half.
Yep.
So here we go.
Time to operate. Who wants cheese?
Neurosurgeon at work here.
Broke it.
Making a hamburger of this guy's brain, but that's okay. There you go. Beautiful.
Very nice.
Yes.
So now we got.
Looks like a sperm.
Tangidum and the cerebral aqueduct right here. Third ventricle